In this video, I'm going to show you the basics of digital marketing and how it can help your business grow. See how you can use SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and more to get your message out there. Let's start the video. Digital marketing is a process that involves the use of digital technology to reach customers for products and services. Digital marketing has become an integral part of how businesses manage to grow their revenue and market share. It can be used to effectively reach out to customers in a more personal manner, which helps them develop trust for the brand. This can help businesses build long-lasting relationships with their customers, which can also lead to increased loyalty from them. Digital marketing is a broad term that encompasses the various ways in which companies can market their products or services to potential customers. This can be done via company's website, social media channels, email marketing campaigns, or other digital channels. Digital marketing is the use of digital channels and technologies to reach customers, prospects, and partners. Digital marketing has come a long way from its humble beginnings. The first digital marketing campaign was run by IBM in 1997. It consisted of a website and email that helped IBM's sales force target their customers more efficiently. The definition of digital marketing has evolved over time to include all the ways companies can use technologies to interact with their customers. Digital marketers are now able to use social media, search engine optimization, email, and other channels to connect with people who are interested in their products or services. Digital marketers also need to know how people make decisions about which products or services they want to buy or use for themselves. This is called consumer behavior analysis or behavioral analytics. Digital marketing is a marketing technique that uses the internet, mobile phones, and other digital devices to reach the target market. Digital marketing can be used for many purposes, including generating leads and traffic for a company's website or product, raising awareness of a brand or product, increasing engagement with content, driving direct sales, and building customer loyalty. The goal of digital marketing is to make products or services more visible on search engines such as Google, Bing, or Yahoo through use of search engine optimization (SEO). Pay-per-click (PPC) advertising such as Google AdWords and Facebook ads, social media advertising such as Facebook ads and Twitter ads. Digital marketers also create content that is shareable on social media websites like Facebook and LinkedIn. Digital marketing can be classified into 5 broad categories: search engine optimization (SEO), search engine marketing (SEM), social media marketing, email marketing, and display advertising.